Hello students, hope you will be fine and safe. Today our topic is to find a point in three-dimensional geometry. If we need a point in three-dimensional geometry, then our requirement is Cartesian equation of the line. To get Cartesian equation of the line, our need is passing point and direction ratio of that line. Okay. Now, in the given question, we have two passing points. From these points, get your Cartesian form x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 upon dr. dr by final minus initial. 2 minus 3 that is minus 1, minus 3 plus 4 that is 1, 1 plus 5 that is 6. To get a point, suppose it is equal to lambda mu k which we want to suppose. Now from here we get x equal to minus lambda plus 3, y is equal to lambda minus 4, z is equal to 6 lambda minus 5. Now, according to the question, that this point crosses the plane, that means it will satisfy the given condition of plane, that is 2 into minus lambda plus 3 plus lambda minus 4 plus 6 lambda minus 5 is equal to 7. Now, here we get minus 2 lambda plus 6 plus lambda minus 4 plus 6 lambda minus 5 is equal to 7. That is 6 lambda plus lambda, 7 lambda minus 2 lambda, that is 5 lambda. 6 minus 4, 2 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 10 and we get lambda is equal to 2. Now put in x, y, z value of lambda, we have x equal to, that is 1, y equal to, that is minus 2 and z equal to, that is 7. Now here is the point, that is x comma y comma z. That's our point. With the same question again, question is asking about that is point. In three-dimensional geometry, if we need point, then our basic need is Cartesian equation of a line. First of all, get Cartesian form of line. We have vector form of the line, that is a vector plus mu, a b vector. Then Cartesian form x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 upon direction ratio, that is 3 to 2. Supposed to be, to get a point is equal to lambda, that is lambda. Here x equal to 3 lambda minus 2, y is equal to 2 lambda minus 1, z is equal to 2 lambda plus 3. According to the question, distance between 2 points is given, that is distance between 2 points represent as 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 3, and second point is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Supposed to be it is a point, it is b point, that is AB is equal to distance between 2 points, that is by distance formula, under root 3 lambda minus 2 minus 1, that is 3 lambda minus 3 whole square, plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2, it becomes 2 lambda minus 3 whole square, plus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3, it is 2 lambda whole square. As we know, what is AB? AB is your 3 root 2. Distance between 2 points is given to you, 3 root 2. Now, open the brackets, that is a square plus a b square minus a 2ab plus a square plus b square minus a 2ab plus 4 lambda square. Squaring both sides, that is 3 square 9 into 2 18, and we get 9 lambda square plus 4 lambda square plus 4 lambda square, it becomes 17 lambda square. We get minus 18 lambda minus 12 lambda, that is minus 30 lambda. As we get 9 plus 9, that is 18. Cancel out. 0 is equal to lambda out, that is 17 lambda minus 30. We get lambda is equal to 0 and lambda is equal to 30 by 17. Put your value of lambda in the given x, y and z, we get point. If lambda is equal to 0, x equal to, that is minus 2, y is equal to, that is minus 1, z is equal to, that is 3. That's my point x comma y comma z. Put lambda is equal to 30 by 17 in x, y and z. We get our point, that is 56 by 17, your x, your y is equal to 43 by 17, your z is equal to, that is 11 by 17, 11 by 17 is equal to z. So we have points. We got the both points with lambda's value, that is point is 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, and that is 56 by 17, that is 43 by 17, and that is 11 by 17. That's the concept to find a three-dimensional geometry. If we need a point in 3D, then it will be only given by Cartesian equation of the line in your three-dimensional geometry. Topic complete. Thank you.